African.
Let's go back to the pieces. It's a night. And I take the opportunity of asking children whether they understand what a night is. Right? Sometimes when you read chick flicks, the books, Andrew said, night in a shining armor. In such stories, said, I'm waiting for my knight to sweep me off my feet, right? But I also explained that you have a system, for example, in England, where the queen can knight people based on what contribution the queen thinks they have made in society. And I ask the children, how many Africans have been knighted that you know? You must remember we talked about it the first day. So you are bringing geography. You ask the children, do you know a black president who was knighted by the Queen of England? So the knight moves in a peculiar way, in a specific way. As Ntlantla explained yesterday, that the knight can jump. It is the only piece allowed in chess to jump other pieces. No other piece can jump the other except the knight. And it moves in a peculiar way. Where the knight is situated, I always call the area 0, so as not to confuse the children when they start counting. So where the knight is, the block is 0, and I tell them you then go 2 steps forward in a straight line, or forward horizontally, right? You can either do it vertical or horizontal. If we take the vertical way, and I take myself as an example, and you look at my feet, I will go 1 block, because I'm moving from 0 where the knight was, and I will go 2nd block. And when I reach the 2nd block, I have either to turn left or right 1 block only. I can either do this or do that. As you can see, the movement of the knight, if the knight is here, and we have a block, this is a block, we have another block, we have another block, we have another block here, and we have another block there. This knight here, where it is 0. It can then start counting 1, 2, and then take either left 1 block, stay here, or right 1 block, stay there. In every direction, in these 2, either horizontal or vertical. And in our board here, if we place our knight here, right, the knight would have possibilities of landing in 8 blocks. Using the same steps that I've showed you, you start counting from where the knight is as 0, and I'm going to use the black pawns to indicate a place where this knight can go to. If we all do it together, you realize if we take the knight going down vertically, we will then have to count. This is 0, 1, 2. We either have to turn left 1 block or right 1 block. So it will end up here or there, right? So if we then go vertically upwards, we start counting together. This is 0, 1, 2, right or left, one block. So right or left, one block, right? And then we can go horizontal, right? If we go horizontal to my right, and we count together, 0, 1, 2, you have an option of going up one block or down one block. So it will be this or that. Okay. Right? Then you can go horizontal to the left, right? And you can go 1, 2, either up, right, or left to that. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask one person. I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to ask one person to try and replicate what has been done here, and I'm going to move. You want to come and do it, right? You use the same rules.
Yeah, same rules. I'm going to come from here, which is 0, 1, 2, and I put it there. Or there. Okay, then from here, which is 0, 1, 2, I'm going to put it here. Or here. And from here, 0, 1, 2, going to put it there. There. From here, 1, 2, I'm going to put it there.